Welcome to Luxe Estate Finders. Today we're excited to talk about the wealthiest male actors at the box office in the United States. Is your favorite actor going to make this list? Let's find out. Coming in at number 5 is Ben Affleck. Affleck obtained his wealth through his successful acting career, starring in hit movies such as Good Will Hunting, Armageddon, and Batman vs. Superman: Dawn of Justice. He has also earned significant income as a writer, director, and producer of various movies, such as Argo, which won an Academy Award for Best Picture. In addition to his film career, Affleck has been involved in various business ventures, including his co-founding of the Eastern Congo Initiative, a non-profit organization that provides aid to the Congo. He has also been involved in various endorsement deals, including his partnership with the luxury watch brand, Breitling. Ben Affleck's net worth is estimated to be around $150 million. Coming in number 4 is the funny superhero Ryan "Deadpool" Reynolds. Ryan Reynolds obtained his wealth through his successful acting career, starring in hit movies such as Deadpool, The Proposal, and Safe House. Reynolds has also earned significant income through producing movies and television shows, such as Netflix's hit film Six Underground, and ABC's sitcom Workin' Moms. In addition to his acting career, Reynolds has also been involved in various brand endorsements, including his partnership with Mint Mobile, and his ownership in the American gin company, Aviation Gin. Ryan Reynolds' net worth is estimated to be around $185 million. Coming in at number 3 is heartthrob and action actor Vin Diesel. Vin Diesel gained his wealth through his successful acting career, producing movies, and creating the Fast and Furious franchise, which has been a huge success at the box office. Additionally, he has also earned significant income through brand endorsements and other business ventures. Vin Diesel's net worth is estimated to be around $225 million. Before we dive into the next filthy rich actor, thank you for watching Luxe Estate Finders, your Luxe channel for millionaire and billionaire motivation. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to join the full experience. Coming in at number 4 is Mr. Smell What the Rock is Cooking himself, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Johnson obtained his wealth primarily through his successful career in entertainment. He started as a professional wrestler in the WWE, where he became one of the most popular wrestlers of all time, winning numerous championships and headlining multiple WrestleMania events. He then transitioned to acting, starring in blockbuster movies such as the Fast and Furious franchise, Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, and Moana. In addition to his acting career, Johnson has been involved in various business ventures, including his own production company, 7 Bucks Productions, which produces movies and television shows. He also has endorsement deals with various companies, such as Under Armour and Ford. Johnson has also been involved in philanthropic efforts, including his own foundation, the Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation, which supports various causes such as child welfare and healthcare for underprivileged children. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's net worth is estimated to be around $320 million. Can you guess the number 1 richest male actor of them all? Coming in at number 1 with all the millions to match his acting skills is Mark Wahlberg. Mark obtained his wealth through his successful acting career, starring in hit movies such as The Fighter, Ted, Transformers franchise, and Daddy's Home. In addition to acting, Wahlberg has also produced several movies and television shows, such as Entourage and Boardwalk Empire. Wahlberg has also been involved in various business ventures, including his co-ownership of the natural food chain, Wahlburgers, and his investment in the water brand, Aqua Hydrate. Additionally, he has various endorsement deals with companies like AT&T and the fitness brand, F45 Training. Mark has a current heavy wallet network of $350 million. It's important to note that net worth estimates can vary and may not be entirely accurate. These estimates are based on publicly available information and are subject to change. Who is your favorite actor? Did they make the list? Leave us a comment below. We hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you again for watching. If you are new here, thanks for being a part of the Luxe Estate Finders experience, where we report all things luxury across the globe. Please like this video and subscribe to join the full experience. We'll see you in luxury on the next video with Luxe Estate Finders. See you soon.